Students, your exam will start at 10:05. Okay, so be ready in the blackboard. So your exam will have 10 questions which carries 5 marks, and the time is 30 minutes, 30. Okay, are you listening to me?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, mister.
Okay, so I will give you in a moment the password for the blackboard exam. Where are the other two students? So this is your password. So in your blackboard at 10:05 your exam starts. It will be for 30 minutes. So answer all the questions, 10 questions, which carries 5 marks. After the exam we will have a class, okay? Okay, all of you have finished. Students, hello students.
Yes, Mister.
So shall I start the lecture now?
Mister, just keep the quiz today.
Keep the quiz students. Actually, we are lagging behind. This is fifth week, so we have to complete the remaining lecture. It is already you have done only some one or two slides extra is there. That one. So if you are aware that, then you can complete that lecture. Then we move on to the another lecture in the next class. Because sixth week, sixth lecture. So sixth lecture, I think for you is asynchronous. That means there will be a recorded lecture uploaded on the Blackboard. So you have to see that video, understand, and practice the lab also. Okay, so let me continue this our lecture 5. See, in the lecture 5, what we discussed last class is the life cycle of Java server faces and structure of JSF components. What are the HTML components? So these things we have discussed in the last class. This one is the life cycle of JSF, okay, in detail, and these are the tags we exercise: command button, command link. So I have given you the exercise, this one. Okay, how to create the button, command button with action, command button with image, command link, okay, with action, and h colon link. So there is no action here. And another one h, these are the out examples. Okay, so here h colon button, h colon link also are there in the target tags. So inputs, these also you have practiced last class, isn't it? All of you have practiced this one. This, Safa, have you practiced this one?
Yes,
Hello,
Mr. Me.
Yes, Mr.
Galia, have shown the Amna. You,
No, Mister, I'm not doing.
no.
What,
This,
Mr. Again?
have you exercised this one? Creating this one. This code I told no last class to copy paste and create in a file. Then you will see this output: input box, text area,
Yes, Mr. We do
input
together,
file.
and you
So,
see my result.
yeah, what about the other students? Anwar, Amna,
Mister, we have do it together in the class.
when you told that your laptop is somewhere in the repair.
Yes, Mister, I have do it. No.
So this one we have practiced. Now we are moving to the tags of JSF HTML tags, output tags. This also you know already. You are using this one, no? This output tags, output components, the classes that extends this one. UI output, user interface output. Why we use this? to display a value. So to display a value, we use output text, output label, output link, output format. So these are the possible output tags. So this tag is in this class. This tag is referred from this class. So it will help you to render HTML label. Same like HTML tag label, we have this in the JSF h colon output label. And this output link is same like your HTML anchor tag. And this is just to print the text, output the text. And this is to format the text. So the data has to be represented in different formats, like for example 1500. So 1500 means in that you need to specify commas or decimal points. So that kind of formatting we can do in this referring this output tag. Okay, so examples are given to you here. See, the output tags are output label. This already you have seen, no? You already practiced that one. See, for example, we have shown student and result. So student and result we have seen. So when you run this student file, this has user ID, password, okay, and action button. So when you press that action button, it will go to result. So in the result, this is the output text. Label is only simple text you are going to display, and this text you are going to display from the bean. Okay, so these are the output tags that are used. See, output label, output text, output link. Now the last one is output format. See, I want to display the user like when you pass the first name and last name. Welcome at the place of 0 means parameter 1. So f colon param. What is this f is HTML core tag. Like you have here in the starting, this one is a HTML tag, and this f is the core tag, this one. So when you are using that, I'm using here, see, format. For example, in your result page, I go here and type this one. Now it is showing red color. Why? Because that package is not imported here, that library. So what you do is just click on this red color bulb. So it is saying add f colon. So you just double click. Now finished, your errors is gone. So suppose this is the value I want to print to the user, like welcome Samir and password is 123. So these are the parameters that are applicable to this place, the first parameter, and this value will be displayed here. So now let me run this program. Already I ran it. So this I will remove. Last class I show you this one, no? That like how to format, etc. Okay, so here you can see welcome Samir, your password is 123. So this is hard coded here. If you want, you can just use this also. This also you can use there if you want in this place. This also you can use. Okay, see, welcome Sam, this is my user ID and this is my password. So what is this tag? This tag is output format. So output label, output text, output format, output link. Okay? So this also you can put output. The last time you asked Galia how to go to the website of Google. So here is the this one output link value is equal to give the address of the Google here. Okay. So what kind of tags are this one? These are the output tags. Before we have seen this one are input tags. H colon input secret, H colon input text, H colon input file, H colon input text area, H colon input hidden. Understand here, these are all the input tags which are used in your forms. These are all the output tags. Understand this one, students? Are you
Yes.
getting?
Yes, Mr.
So input is over, output is over. So what are the other controls components you can use in your forms? Selections. You will select from the drop down box, from the check box, radio button, okay, list box. All these tags are called selection tags. See, select tags. So here is the JSF tags available to you. Select Boolean checkbox. Checkbox means it's a square like this. This one. Checkbox. Like whenever you see the websites, you will find click accept and agree the terms and conditions. So that place you can use this one. Accepting the terms and conditions. In Google website or any website you can see on the internet. Okay. So this is the tag select Boolean checkbox. So from this class it is taken and it will display you one checkbox representing single Boolean value. So it will make sure whether you checked it or not. If you checked it, it is true. If you don't check it, it is false. Second tag, select many checkbox. I want to select many. Like here, I like history book, I like comics book, I like sci-fi books. So I will just click multiple items here. That is the tag known as H colon select many checkbox. Understand students this one? So it will render means it will display the list of checkboxes. Third tag, select many list box. So there is a drop down box, this one, select many. So you can press the control button and click biology, literature, comics, sci-fi, etc. Then all the selected items will be shown to you. This is your selection. You can select many from the list box. There is this is the option. Now fourth one is select many menu. So menu you are creating like this. This is the menu. So when you click this, you will get this menu. All these items will be there, but you can select only, you can select many items here. And the last two are just for selecting only one. Same list box is same, but here you can select the many items and here you can select only one item. And the last is select one menu, radio button, the circle, like gender, male, female, like that. This one options are there, but any one of the value you can select. But here you can select many, here you can select many, here you can select many, but here you can select only one. Here also you can select only one from this available. Okay, so these are the What tags are this one? Select tags. You are getting or not this one? Girls? Girls?
Yes, Mister.
So where we use this one all? We use it to design our forms. Okay. So this is the example code for the first tag, this one. Many times, frequently we use this one. So here you have no select one menu where this one. So this one. How to get this one is, this is the code. H colon select one menu, S small, one O capital, M capital. So inside this starting tag and ending tag, these are the items. So every item will have label and also value. History, item label, biography. Like this you have to write. If you have 100 items, you have to write 100 times like this. Same like item label, you have another attribute called item value. So for history, what is the value for that one? So that you can mention after this tag. Okay, opening tag, closing tag. This is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. So what is the output? This one, this will be the output, this one. So likewise you have other, this one. So I will show you. uh, like this the form will appear to you. See, whatever we discussed, this is the input text box, this is the input secret, and this is the select one menu. Okay, this is the select one. Which item is this? What is the name of this component?
Red button.
Radio button. Select one radio button, and this one is select one checkbox. This is which component?
Text
Yeah, good. This is the link, and this is the input file. So this is the submit button, reset button, and this is the image. So I have told you how to display the image. So image you can display using this tag here, H colon graphic image. There is only one component for displaying image, which is called this one, H colon graphic image, which is available in this class, HTML graphic image. So this will help you to display the image to the users. They cannot click on it. I cannot click. There is no link. So if you want to mention what is the height of the image, what is the width of the image, you can use. See, at present, this is the syntax. Don't use this syntax. It will not work. So I told you to download the picture, download the image, and create a resource folder, copy the image in that, then you display like this, I told. So the same way I have done here. You can see this graphic image. So the tag is this one. So where is this image? Logo.jpg. I downloaded and stored in this images folder. Where is images folder? In this resource folder. So when you refer to the project here in the web pages, this is the project. In this web pages, I have created this folder resources. Under that, I have created this images. Under that, I have this one logo. So that is the image I am displaying here in this page. So this one, let us see this one, values. This is the list box. Select one list box. Where is that one? This is the one. This is, I am getting the values from the bean. There is a bean called user bean. This you can do it later like this. But if you want to display from your JSF code, you can use this example. Okay, so here I will comment this one and I will show you. Where is that? This one. I will write one more here. I will comment this. So right click, comment is not there. So what you have to do is you have to use this symbol, this tag for commenting. So what is that one? H colon, select one menu, this one. Okay, open tag, close tag. This is the best practice. First you have to do like this. Then items in that one, F colon, select item. Items when you use is, you are displaying the values or getting the values from the bean, you use this tag items. If you want to give like this, then you have to type select item only, single item. What is the item label? Label is what we are displaying here. UAE, United Arab Emirates. This is the label. Label means only text. What is the value? What is the country code for this one? That is the value. What is the country code of United Arab Emirates? Phone number, country code. What you will type?
integer.
No, number. Like Oman, you have 968. Phone number,
ايه
country code for Dubai when you call.
you want number mister?
Yeah, tell me.
I think
971.
Yes. So this is the value. So I will close this tag. So open this tag, close this tag. So this is the label. Label will be displayed here only outside, but inside, if you want to access this, you can get it in the bean. This is the associated value. So like this, I will copy, paste here, Oman. Okay. Here I can say I will create 3 character symbol. What is the value for us? 68968. Similarly, you have like uh, any other Qatar. What is the value? Item code 974
Yes,
for Qatar.
974.
Okay, so I will display this one. Where is that? This, I think we have to remove that because panel grid, everything 2222. So this is one. So now see, this is the label is displayed, not the values. So UAE, Oman, Qatar. Value you can use the value at the time you access it, the data in the bean. So this is one way of doing. The another way is that I shown you this one. I have the bean. What is the name of the backing bean is user. Inside the user bean, what I am doing is I have this property country to value, this one, country to value, where it is, this one. I take the map, Java map, like hash map, hash table. In that one, I am putting this one. This is the label and this is the value. This is the label and this is the value. So this is the label and this is the value. So this variable name you have to bind here using the bean. This one. This is also simple. Dynamically you are getting this one from this bean. The earlier example what I shown you, you are typing inside the page, JSF page like this. So likewise, you can exercise the other tags. Like see, select one radio. So this also I am getting from bean here. Gender to value, this one, male, female. This is the label, this is the value. You can write same like this one. F colon select one radio button. F colon select item, right, male is the label, value M, female value F. Okay, checkbox same, address text area. This is the complete page where I used all the input tags, output tags, target tags. Okay, then also the selection tags. This one panel grid I have used. Everything I have used here. So like this, you can design the JSF form. So like these are all the possible values you can use. Okay, next is grid and tables. This already you know, panel grid. Panel grid, why we use? Panel grid is used to display a table, HTML table. Grouping. Grouping means suppose you have some two items. Side by side you have two items. That one you need to group. So in that I will show you the example of grouping, panel group. So we use the tag to group the different items. Column, like you have a column tag in the HTML, TD. That is similar to this one. Another one is H colon data table. Data table means this is a table which prints the data, repeated data. This is a normal table. This is just with empty, but this is with data, repeating data, like a loop. H colon data table. This is used for displaying the table data containing some of the model in the application. Means database values. You are getting the values from the database. So what are these tags? These are the grid and table tags. Okay. So examples given to you here to practice like this. You know this panel grid columns 3 means it will create first column, second column, third column. Output label. So 1 will be displayed here, 2 will be displayed here, 3 will be displayed here. So 3 columns, 3 values. Then next is 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it has taken this one, 2 rows, 3 columns like this. It depends on the number of columns. You have to specify how many values. The table grid, this is a panel grid. If you want to have a heading for this table and a footer for this table, this tag you can use F:facet name is equal to header. You can type anything here like students table or employee table. Okay, anything you can type here. So the same will be displayed to you here. So next one is footer. So F:facet name, you give some value here. Okay, so this is the header and footer. Okay, students. Is this clear? So you have to
Yes, mister.
practice all these things. Now, finally, to display the error messages. Suppose you don't type this is the form, enter a title. If you don't enter the name, you have to, you must type some value. If you don't type some value and click the button, you will get this message, error message displayed at the top using this tag H:message. This is to display only one message, and this is to display all the messages. Like in the form, how many fields I have, how many items we have here. I changed or not? Okay, see, here I am displaying all the errors. Arabic text also, if you want, you can put here. Okay, what tag we are using? This one, H:messages, for multiple messages you want to display, and this is to display only single message. Okay, and messages are of different type. Like some messages are having you may need to display just for information, and some messages for warning. In Windows you will get the error messages in red color, warning messages in orange color, information messages in maybe blue color, like that. So here also you can design and give the styles using the CSS. Okay, what type of message and what type of error. Like here for these messages I am saying color red, so it will display red color message. Nothing, what you have to do is above the form, if this is the form, at the top of the form you write like this. So when you, and also you have to say here in the input text, required is equal to true. Okay, required is equal to true. If you say this, then only it will interpret that to validate this field. So I will show you here this one. See where this one, name. I have this one, no, name. Okay. So user h colon input text, I am saying required is equal to true. Okay, so what message you want to display? If you don't give this, the JSF will display you some framework defined messages. Like I will delete this one, sorry, I will delete this and see, save this page. I refresh this page. Now you observe here, username is required. That is because of this one. Because of this one. Now I have removed that. Let us see what type of message it will display. I don't type any data, click the submit button. Like this. Value is required, validation error. This is the system defined message. So it's not a user defined message. So if you want the user defined message, maybe in like Arabic, you can type here that message here. required message. This is the attribute and this is the value. This is required true. Now the error messages I am telling. See, where is my form? This is my form. So you may put inside the form or you may put outside the form. H colon messages. Why I am saying messages is because for all the fields I am validating. If you are validating for only one field, you can give message. H colon message. Style color is red. Okay. So when you forgot to type, it will tell you here like this. So I included the Arabic text also here for password. Okay, so this is the form with all the input tags, output tags, selection tags, target tags, okay, grid, tables, and graphic image. Then this error messages like H colon messages. Okay, so this is the sample code. So this is the output for this one. This is the code, this is the output. Next, these are the common tags you know. H colon body, which represents the HTML body. H colon head, it will represent the head of the HTML. H colon form, this is the form tag, and this is used for document type. Suppose you are displaying any Word PDF document or Word document, we can use this one. And this is used to include your JavaScript file, and this tag is used to include your CSS file. So that also example I have included here. You can see this one, H colon output style sheet, this one. So I created the file, my CSS file here. Same, the resources folder you have to create. In that you can create one another folder, CSS. In that you can create one file. So right click new, go to others, then you type here like CSS or go for HTML. You have this one, select this one, CSS. Similarly, if you want to create a JavaScript file, you can select this one, and then next give the name, etc. So this is my style sheet. So here I am saying what should be my background color, okay, what should be my panel grid alignment, etc, etc, I am giving here. So the same line I am writing here in the head tag, this one, open tag h output style sheet, close tag h colon output style sheet. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, yes, Mr. Clear.
You have to practice and show me all these things, then only I will confirm you have understood.
Okay, inshallah.
Next
You will give
one,
us, Mr.
pardon,
You will give us mark
which mark?
for if we do this one.
You do it. If you don't do, then no mark you will get in the practical exam. In the midterm, you cannot do anything if you don't practice now.
No, Mr. We will practice, but also I want mark.
That mark, how I will give? Assessment, if it is there in the assessment, I will give. Without practicing, see, you cannot be able to write answer the midterm questions in the lab, in the project, in the final. So you have to do this one. If you just want the marks, means it is something different. The
No, no,
assessment is
Mr.
not there.
Inshallah, we will do it. Don't worry.
So basic attributes for all these tags are, every tag will have ID. This one, like see, I mentioned for this input tag ID, value, size, okay, label. All these are the rendered means you can use true or false. If I don't want to display For example, this name. So I will tell there rendered is equal to false. Rendered is equal to false. Then if you refresh this, there will be no name. See, the text box is gone. So if you render it true, then the text box will come to you. So these are the default tags attributes which are available with these tags. ID, rendered, value, converter, value. What is converter? What is validator? We will see in the next lecture. This is used for converting the value. This is used for validating your value. And this is, I have told you, required means you need it. It is must. That value is required. Like as I shown you here. Input username, I need it. So I am writing required is equal to true. Password, I did not write. Maybe it's optional like that. It is upon your requirements. So whichever fields you want or which components you want the user to must enter the data, then you can say required is equal to true. Okay, like for agree, I will say here required. Where is that one? Go here. Required required is equal to true. Okay, so this is the validations. This is the complete form design. So you have the login page with you. This one. This one. For this page also, see these are not properly done. You have to display the messages at the top. So you can practice like this here. The same, this one, you practice it in this form. Add a drop down, add the radio button like this. You can use your own fields like student ID, student name, student city, okay? Student drop down you need like subjects, what you are studying. Like that you can think on your own and design this form. This all code is also available in your labs. So when you go to the labs folder on the blackboard, so where is that 5A in this one, lab 5. So when you see this, this is the bean, user managed bean. Okay, this is the page, JSF validation demo. So all these things are there. Your only thing is you have to practice now. Like this, see, username cannot be empty, it must be equal to like this. These are coming later, but at least the simple one like today what I shown you, that you can uh, practice that one. I think it is in lab 4, I think. Yeah, it's in lab 4. See, today what I discussed you, this one. So code is here. If you want any reference, you refer to this lab manual. Okay, you can take the help. So see, I have given you the idea here, how to create the resource folder, how to create the images folder, then copy that file here. Similarly, CSS file. So these all tags you are exercising in this. Input text, output text, form, input secret, button, text area, etc., etc. So you will practice this one. Try at least this error messages. The error messages, try at least. You have this form with you, student.html. So just here you type h:messages and say required is equal to true. So here you have to type here h:, Messages, where is that one? Messages. If you don't give any style, the color will be black, default. Now see, the messages are coming here. Before, if I don't give this, the messages were coming somewhere in the form. This is the system generated message. You want to give any user defined message, you can give here required message is equal to what message you want. Please enter the user ID you want to give in your enter student ID. Okay. Okay. So for that you need to do the style here. Like this you can give style color colon red. Then you will display the messages in the red color. Like this you do this. Okay. And tell me whether you are getting the output or not. Have you finished that one? Finished, students?
No, mister.
One line, that one. Already you have that form with you. So just error messages you check.
Mister, the net will take time. Long time to open, wallah.
When you log into the class, no, that time only you have to open the NetBeans. So every day when you come for the class, you have to keep the NetBeans open. Then it will not take time.
Okay, Mister, just today we think we'll be do the quiz and go. Don't
No,
know, we
because
have.
see the plan, according to the plan, we need to finish this lecture also. This one, 5B. So then in the next sixth week, you should do lecture 6. So that is why I have continued this lecture. So at least this one on Sunday I can finish. Then the other class you can practice the lecture 6. Over, students. Any of you have finished? Students, any of you have finished? Students, are you there? Already exited Amna. Students,
What, Mister?
have you finished? The output came.
No, Mister. Still working.
Next class, you show me the form like this. I want to see the form like this with all this one. So when you come to the class, before class, keep your screen ready. I will check.
Inshallah. Inshallah, Mister.
Anwar,
Okay.
so far you have not shown anything. So next class, complete this and show me.
Okay, Mister.
If you understand this, then only the next lectures will be easy. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Okay. So any other doubts, if you have, please ask. Otherwise, I will end the session. So I will stop the session here. Okay. Thank you for attending.